In this video, I am going to teach you how to create e-commerce cart system with MVVM and GetX with some additional features like search option, Razorpay. So let's see the demo first. We can search any items from here and we can also add the product into the cart and remove also. And when we will add the product into the cart, then the price will immediately changes here and the count will also be changed. You can see the price is changing and the cart count is also changing. We have also the cart page where we can remove the product and we can also check out the product. Yes, here you can see the product is removing. If we remove the product, and we can also check out by Razorpay. Here we can pay. Now the payment is success. So we are going to create this kind of application. So let's start the tutorial. This is the empty Flutter project. Firstly, we will create the folders of MVVM. So this is the structure of MVVM. There is one model, view and view model, and there is one repository folder. Firstly, we will create one dart file inside the view. Here we will fetch all the products in this page. This is our view page. Now we will create our model class. For model class, we have an API. In this project, I am using this API to get response. This is the fake API. And this is the app.quicktap.io. It will generate our model class. If we paste the whole responses, just copy this all and just paste here and enter the model name. There are lots of responses, so we need to remove some responses. Just create model class inside model folder. And now copy this code from here and paste inside product model. This is the error of null safety. Sorry, I think some issues are there. So now it's okay. Just copy this code and remove this and paste again here. For this error we need to include question mark here. Now our model class is ready. Now we need to create the repository class. Here we will fetch our API responses. So create repository class. Before creating product repository, we need to include some dependencies like HTTP, get, Razorpay, Flutter, and then we'll import these all dependencies. Here we will import the http dot package. Here we will create one static variable of http client. And now we will create function to get the API response. So this will be a future list, and we need to pass our model class here. This will be of asynchronous. Then here we will call client, which is created before sometime, client dot get method. This is get method, so I'm using get method. Okay, and we need to pass the URL, this URL. So just copy this and create one more folder. Utils, and I'm going to create one more dot file that is of constants. Here we will write this URL and we will pass the base URL. Okay, we will access this base URL inside our repository class. URI.parse, inside parse we are going to use this base URL. Just import this. Yes, now we will check the response status code here. Then we will check the response status code. If it is 200, then we will pass the response, else here we will return the response. So in model class, product model from JSON is generated. Just copy this and paste here. Inside this we need to pass our response dot body. So this will return our response. Okay, and here we need return null. Now we have created product repository class. Okay, now we need to create view model class. We will extend this with GetX controller. We will take one variable that is of product list equals to, here we will pass product model, our model class. We will take one more variable for loading. Now we will create one method to get the responses from product repository class. Okay, so future void this will also be of async type. And we will call the repository class where we are getting the responses. So product repository dot fetch products. Then now we will check the response is null or not. Product is not equal to null, then if not null, then sorry, we need to include with observable, so we will get the updated data. Now the value works. Inside the product list we will add that responses which is getting from product repository class. Okay, here we will set is loading equals to false if the data is loaded. Now our product view model class is also ready. Now let's move to our view page where we will show all the products. So we need to import this here. We will create the instance of the product view model first here. Get dot inside the put we need to declare product view model. Here we will take list view builder. Inside the list view builder we will show will fetch all the products. Okay, so list view builder, in item count we need to pass the length of the list which is inside the product view model. So we need to access this list. We can access by product view model dot product list dot length. Okay, and now here we'll have to pass context and index, and here we will have to return our widget like firstly we will fetch the image. So product list, and then we need to pass the index dot image. Now here we will get the image. This will be our image. Here we will show the price of the product. I am adding cross-axis alignment to start, means it will be visible from the left. The price is double value. The price is double type, so I am adding two string here. After this, I'll show the title of the product. The list view builder we need to wrap inside the OBX because we are using observable in our product view model. This. So we need to wrap inside OBX so we will get the updated value. I think it's completed. Now we need to check into the device. So I'm going to run into the device. I think some issues are there, so I'm going to check this. Okay, I didn't call this method inside on init, so it is so the data is not loading. And one thing more, we need to add progress indicator before list is loading. So here the view model dot is loading. If product view model is loading is false, then the list view builder will appear. Otherwise, the progress indicator will appear. So now we will run this application again and check either it is working or not. Yes, the product is coming. Our code is working fine. You can see the progress indicator, you can see, and after the progress indicator the product will load here. Now you can see the product is also loading and progress bar before loading. Okay, we need to give margin from left, right, top, bottom, sorry, left and right. So we have to type inside container. Now it is looking fine. We will add app bar to show uh, count of the cart and total price here. I have added total price text here and added one icon shopping cart with one text here. And here we will add one add to cart button. Yes, add to cart button is also added. Now we are going to add functionalities. So inside the product view model, we will create one method add to cart. We will take one more list, cart list, and when we press the add to cart, then we will add the item into the cart list. Okay, and cart list dot add this item, and we will call this add to cart by pressing on the elevated button, that is add to cart. Here product view model dot add to cart. Inside the add to cart we will pass the product, so product view model dot product list, and we pass only index. Okay, when we will press the add to cart button, then the item will be added inside the add to cart, so inside the cart list. Here we will also check if the product is also available in the cart list, then it will not add. If the not available, then it will only add. So here we will check product view model dot cart list dot contains product view model dot product list. Sorry, just cut this and paste here. And then we'll copy this button and paste here. If the product is already available in the cart list, then it will show remove from cart button, and the product is not available in the cart list, then the button add to cart button will appear. And here one more method will be there to remove this product from cart list. So we'll create this method here. And then cart list dot where element dot id is equal to item dot id, which is coming from here, and the id is this id. When we press remove from cart button, then it will remove from cart list where id which is available in the cart list, and the getting id. Okay, now okay, method name is same. We will take one variable total, sorry, this will be of double. We will calculate all the prices which is available in the cart list, products, total price. Here here we will pass 0, and then here some item dot price. So this will calculate the cart all product which is available in the cart list prices. Okay, and here we will take one more variable. We will get count number of products available in the cart, then cart list dot length. Okay, and then now we are going to pass we will wrap inside the ODX. And here we will call the total price variable, then product view model dot total price dot string. Okay, and here we will fetch the count of the product. So dot count, sorry, now we will get the updated data of the total price and count when we press the remove and add cart button. Let's run the application again. Press add to cart. Now we can see the total price is uh, showing 109 and the count is 1. If you press again, then it is calculating. I think something going wrong. We need to check. Duplicate data is adding, so we need to check the code. Now the button is working perfectly. Now it's showing remove from cart, and yes, it is working fine. Now it's working fine. Next we are going to create cart page, uh, where we will fetch all the products which is available in the cart. So I'm going to create one cart page. Firstly, we need to change material app to get material app. Okay. Here we will also create the instance of the product view model. Inside the list view builder, we need to specify item count. Then item count will be at least dot length. And we will return the widget. Firstly, we will take one image, this product image. Then here decoration. Here we will pass the image model sorry, we need to pass here index dot image, and just copy this. And we will wrap inside, sorry, this will be cart list, and we'll wrap inside expanded, and just copy this and column paste this row where we have written image and title, and after this we are going to copy this price from home page and just paste below the row, and after this we will take one divider to show the separation, and we will wrap our list view inside OVX. We will take one more button, that is delete button. Now let's run the application. Sorry, before running we need to route uh, when we will click this cart button, then we need to navigate from home page to cart page, so we need to add and then run this application. We will add some items into the cart and then press this cart icon. Now we are in cart page. Okay, yes, we will add one app bar, my cart button. Okay, and inside the column specify from start. I think it's fine. have to remove this items when we will press this icon. Okay, now it is not working, but we need to add this. So yes, we will wrap inside OBX, and when we will click this icon, delete icon, then product view model dot remove cart, and we will pass the product. I think it's fine now. Now it's working fine. We are adding products here, and we can delete from cart. Okay, and here we will also add clear all text. When we will press this clear all, then the cart will be empty. Okay, so now we need to create one more method, void clear cart, cart list dot here. Okay, then clear cart. On press of clear all, uh, I am calling clear cart to clear the list. Now I'm going to check this. Now it's clearing. add this, clear all. Okay, and after clear I am navigating to my home page. Clear all, and now it's sorry, add two items are there, clear all, and now it is navigating to home page. It's working fine. Now we will show product count and product price here bottom. Okay, so inside the cart page we need to okay, we will use stack here. Stack here, the list view will be inside the list view. We have a container. Sorry. And we will wrap inside the position widget this card. Okay, and bottom will be of 100 and 60. Yes, here we can see how the widget is. We will add more products. See, it is overlapping. So it is overlaying. Okay, and then from bottom Yes, now the product count and the product price is visible here. I have used position widget, and inside the position widget I have passed count and product price inside the observable. So when we will remove this, then the product count and the price will also be changed. You can see this. Okay, now it is working fine. The next thing is that we need to add payment gateway. So inside the .dev we will find Flutter Razorpay. So the installation process is we need to copy this and paste into the PubSec YML. I've already added. Okay, and now we need to integrate this. So firstly we will take one floating button here. This is the checkout button. When we will press the checkout button, then we will navigate to the Razorpay payment gateway. Okay. Now we will have to integrate Razorpay. So go to example, just copy this and paste here. Import this. Okay, and now inside the init state we need to pass this, and we need to add these methods which is already there. So copy these all methods and paste here. Now everything is good, and now we need to copy this open checkout method and pass here. Okay, and we will create one more view, payment status, stateful builder, and then if the payment success, then we need to pass some parameter into the payment status. Okay, then get dot to, and I pass one argument here, that is 1. And when the payment failed or anything error, then I'm going to pass this 0. And in wallet I'm sending 1. Okay, so if you are getting data that is equal to 1, then we will show payment success, and if you are not getting 1, then it will show payment failed. Okay, and we are getting here. Now we are going to restart our application to check this. The application is running, it is taking time. Now we will add some product and go to actually I forgot one thing, that the key, we need to change this key because that key is for other key, and this is the live key, so it's not working. So I'm using my own test key. You can use your own test key and pass the amount here. So for amount we need to call our total price here dot to integer. Okay, Now everything is okay. This key will get from Razorpay website. Okay. And now it's working fine. The total amount is 165.94. Now press checkout button. It is not working, I think. Why it's not working? Open checkout is not working. I think some issues are there. Yes, it's working. Now we can pay using anything, but I am paying by UPI ID. Yes, payment has been successfully done. Now everything is working fine. And here we can remove all the cart items. Okay, then Now everything is working fine. Now we need to create search section here. So in the home page, we just write inside stack paste our list view builder here, and above the list view builder we will take one container. Inside container we will take one text field, and one changed. Cut this both here, and cut this both from here, and then we will use column. Inside the column it will wrap inside expanded. Okay, now it's fine, I think. We will create one method. So we will go to the product view model, and then here I'm going to create one method. And the string type will be the text. This is the method. On text change I will call this method. Okay, and just pass our value here, and then print this text. Now restart the application. When we type something in the text field, then it will show here. So now let's type anything here and see the run log here. Now you can see the text is changing when I am pressing any text. Okay, now we are going to filter the product. So we will take one more list here, search list, and inside the search list, okay, and here filter our product list dot for each. Firstly, we will clear the search list here, and then we start add. Okay, sorry, if text dot is empty, if the text is empty, then we will simply load our all product list inside search list, okay, and then if the text is not empty, then we will call this again and we will check here if element dot title this title, okay, title dot to lowercase dot contains this text. If the text contains here, if the element, if the title uh, contains text, means the title is related to the text which we are entering, then uh, then we are adding uh, this element into the search list, okay. I think everything is fine. Let's check the application. Sorry, one more thing left, that we need to change the product list to search list in the home page where we are displaying the product. Here, product list to search list. All places we need to change from search list to product list to search list. Now everything is working fine, I think. Run this application. Now no product is showing. I am searching MENS. Now you can see the MENS related all product is visible now. Searching another like SOL. Yes, the search is working fine. The search is also working fine now. The video is also completed. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe.